Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Thursday morning. Today is the 30th day of July 2026. And this is what we were looking at yesterday. We were looking for potential sales below this level here. We look for potential sales below this level here. We never got the sales. This happened before, this happened at 4:30 p.m. It's happened at 4:30 p.m. And since we had FOMC coming in at 9 a.m. at 9 p.m., didn't take this. Plus, there was no, we didn't have the bearish momentum here. This candle closed, but you can see it was a very small candle, long wicks. This is an indecision candle. It's a doji. Long wicks, a small body. So this didn't give me the confidence to take the trade, to take this sell here. So I didn't enter this trade here, and that's how this is how we could have entered this trade. Had it closed with some good bearish momentum here, so I didn't take this trade here. Okay, so that was for the sales. So we removed that. For the buys, we were looking for potential buys above this level here. We didn't get any confirmation before the FOMC, and so that's when during the FOMC, these were the levels I was checking. I was watching for buys above this level here. I was watching for buys above this. Let me move this to the side. I was watching for buys above this level here and sells below this level here. So this is what I was looking at during FOMC. For the buys, played out quite well. They played out quite well because this was where you'd have entered here right before 9 p.m. Set your buy stop limit. You'd have set your buy stop limit here above this level here. Stop loss just below the support here, below the support here, or around anywhere around here would have been okay. This would have placed my stop loss, taken the market up. Okay, so that's the FOMC buy. This is the volatility that it provided and hitting our TP here. This is the same level we were looking to trade. Hit a TP, and you can see price came back to retest this level here. Once this kind of broke above, you could have entered here. This was after FOMC. This is where you'd have entered the market here and taken your TPUs there. You see, so the news just gave us volatility because we were already waiting for buys above this level here. So the news, the data that came out, it just gave us the volatility to get to hit our TP fast. Okay, so that's how it played out. That was a win for us. That was a win. So far, that's 10 wins out of 14. 10 wins out of 14. We have two stop losses. And we have one break even. 11 wins out of 14. Yeah, we have two stop losses, one break even. So that's how the trend went yesterday. You'd have hit your TP very easily. Wait for a break, which happened. Break above our level. Entry on retest. This is the candle that came to retest. This is the candle that broke above our level. Good bullish momentum. Then the retest, entry on the retest. Stop loss just below the wick of the candle that broke above our level, and taking the market up. Okay, so that's how the trade played out yesterday. It was a good trade. It was a very lovely trade. So let's see what you have today. Let's look at what we have today. And On the fundamentals, let's see what fundamentals are saying. On the fundamentals, the most awaited news was the FOMC, the Fed rates, and this is what happened yesterday. Or is it? Yeah, this is what happened. The Fed rate, the federal fund rate, was unchanged. That's why we didn't get the sales we were most likely anticipating. Yeah, it was unchanged. It remained unchanged. So that's why. That's why we didn't get the sales. Okay, that's why we didn't get the sales. And for today, uh, let's see for the day what to expect on the fundamentals. We have nothing high impact on the USD until 3:30 p.m. When you have the advanced GDP quarter over quarter and the core PCE price index month over month. Okay, so at 3:30 p.m., watch out for volatility in the market and watch out for volatility in the market. Okay, so watch out for volatility in the market at 3:30 p.m. At 2 p.m., we have a red folder news on the GBP. That is a monetary policy report and policy summary, the official bank rates coming out today at 2 p.m. on the GBP. So you trade the GBP pairs, watch out for that volatility at around 2 p.m. You either stay out of the market, close your, if you're in a running trade, close your trade or bring your profit, bring your stop loss into profit or break even. Okay, so that's all for the fundamentals. And now let's dig into the charts, see what to expect. And on the charts, this is what you're looking at. You're gonna remove everything, start afresh, remove everything, start our analysis afresh, and we start our analysis on the 1 month as always. Our monthly resistance is up there, our monthly support is down there. On the weekly, this is where we are. Our weekly support is down here, our weekly resistance up there. On the daily, we are still looking at this resistance up here, the support is still down there. So this resistance here, the internal structure, and if you get a break above this resistance here, then we could target this other resistance here. On the 4 hours, we are looking at we had a break of structure here, then we had a change of character here, and since the change of character, we've not had a break above, nor have we had a break below here. So on 4 hours, we are looking at this change of character. We are looking at the change of character here. We had a change of character there. Our support is at this level here. Is our support. So for our support, it has not been broken, and our 4 hour resistance is up here. So on the 4 hours, like always, we like to use the bodies where the bodies end. So I'm gonna use the bodies there, and here bring this one to the body. Identify these levels as targets. That's a target there, and this other one here, the target too. So this is the range you're operating within on the 4 hours. We jump down to 1 hour, and on 1 hour, 1 hour we had this break above here. We had this break of structure here. On 1 hour we had a break of structure here. We had a break of structure there. Then the FOMC give us a shift there, that change of character there. Hence our 1 hour resistance is up here. This is our 1 hour resistance, and this is our 1 hour support down here. So allow me to adjust this one, remove this one here, and adjust this one to this level here. So this is our 1 hour resistance, this is our 1 hour support. Okay, this is our 4 hours, 1 hour support, and the 4 hour support is our 4 hour resistance here. And this is the target we could be aiming at if we get the buys. Okay, and so that's all for the 1 hour. So we jump down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we still had the same structure being broken. Once we had this break of structure here, once we had this break of structure below, then a shift, there's a break of structure here, then the 30-minute shift was down here. So there was this shift here on 30 minutes. That's why we had the 30 minutes shifting here. So this is where we had the 30 minutes shifting. 30 minutes shifted there, 1 hour shifted here. Okay, so 30 minutes gave us a shift here. We have, after this break of structure here, we had a break of structure in 30 minutes here. We had that break of structure there on 30 minutes. Then we had this change of character here. So this is our 30 minutes low, and this, all this is our 30 minutes high above here. So for the safe buys, I'll be looking for safe buys above this level here. Potential safe buys above this level here. For the, this is the, what is the ATM candle here? We also had this resistance here, this resistance here. We had the resistance there. And now for the aggressive sales, quick sales, we could be picking sales from above this level here. High risk sales below that level there. High risk sales below this level here. And then the safe sales will be getting them below this level here. These are the safe sales. You'll be getting the safe sales below this level here. Potential sales below. These are the high risk sales. High risk sales. We could take a sell from here. We could take it from this level here. Take it from this level here. Target this level there. Okay. That's a high risk sell I'm talking about. For the potential buys, if we get the buys, we take it from here. Target these levels here. If we get safe sells, we take it from here. Target this level here. Okay. Remember, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Almost the end of the week and the end of the month. The month is ending today or tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday and the end of the month. So today is Thursday. That's the second last day of the month. Okay. So this is what I'll be looking at today. Let's see what you're targeting here. So should you get a break above these levels, take it to that level. Should you get a break below here, if the candle closes below here, then you could be targeting these levels here. And if we get a break below here, then this is the levels to target. But along the way, remember we have these targets along the way here. We have that target there. We have this week here. And on this buy side, on the buy side, we have, yeah, that's all to target on the buy side. We have this week here. And we have this week here. So if we get the buys, we could push them up to this level here. If we get good bullish momentum, but first let it break above here, retest, then push above. Okay, so this is what I'll be expecting to trade today. This is what I'll be looking at today. If we get a good break above here, a retest, push up, you can hold the trade until this level here. If we get a break above below here, retest, push down. But first, if you're taking this quick sell, aim your profit targets here. The profit targets should be here, and this is how I would trade it. This is how I would trade it myself. Remember, all I'm doing here is for education purposes. This is not financial advice to trade. This is not financial advice to trade. Remember, trading uh, involves a lot of the risk to your capital. There's no way, and it's no guarantee. There's no guaranteed trade that you're going to win. It's a high risk business, and that you should be aware of. So do your research before taking your trades. This is just education material uh, for and ideas on how to take a trade. Okay, so this is what I'll be watching today. Uh, Remember, guys, always trade what you see, not what you think. Happy hunting, and see you tomorrow for a recap on the same. Okay, I'm out. Ciao.